Eco-friendly travel. In developing countries, what you need to know. Traveling to developing countries can be an enriching experience. It offers a chance to explore diverse cultures, breathtaking natural beauty, and unique traditions. However, these countries often face environmental challenges, including limited resources, deforestation, and fragile ecosystems. For the conscious traveler, finding ways to minimize environmental impact while contributing positively to local communities is key. This guide will help you navigate eco-friendly travel in developing countries, outlining practical tips, ethical considerations, and ways to support sustainable tourism initiatives. What is eco-friendly travel? Eco-friendly travel, also known as sustainable or green travel, is about reducing the environmental footprint of your journey while maximizing its positive impact on the local economy and culture. This involves supporting conservation efforts, respecting local cultures and communities, choosing sustainable transportation and accommodations, minimizing waste and energy use. Top eco-friendly destinations in developing countries. Some destinations in developing countries have embraced ecotourism and sustainability. Here are a few examples. 1. Costa Rica. Renowned for its biodiversity, Costa Rica is a global leader in ecotourism. The country has extensive protected areas, sustainable lodges, and initiatives to support conservation and renewable energy. 2. Bhutan. Bhutan follows a unique, high-value, low-impact tourism policy that ensures sustainable tourism. The country's commitment to being carbon negative sets a benchmark for ecotourism. 3. Rwanda. Known for its gorilla trekking experiences, Rwanda has prioritized conservation and sustainable tourism in its national parks. Visitors contribute directly to the preservation of endangered species. 4. Vietnam. From eco-lodges in rural villages to organic farming tours, Vietnam offers a range of sustainable travel options while showcasing its rich culture and cuisine. 5. Kenya. Kenya's community-based tourism initiatives and wildlife conservancies offer eco-conscious travelers a chance to explore its iconic landscapes while supporting conservation efforts. Your role as a responsible traveler. Eco-friendly travel in developing countries isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. By adopting sustainable practices, you can protect the environment, support local communities, and preserve cultural heritage. Every choice you make, from the accommodations you book to the souvenirs you buy, can potentially leave a lasting, positive impact. By prioritizing eco-friendly travel, you will enrich your own experiences and help create a better future for the destinations you visit. Travel consciously, tread lightly, and inspire others to do the same. Ready to embark on your eco-friendly journey? Start small, stay mindful, and remember, sustainable travel is a collective effort. Together, we can make a difference. At a bus. On a dusty road, we talk about history, travel, life, sailing, and expat living. We are all about living life as a global citizen. We explore social, cultural, and economic issues and travel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.